Good morning from Mostar, my first time in Bosnia. Currently walking through the back streets, showing you something that a lot of YouTubers don't bother showing you. There is a Mostar that exists outside of the fairytale bridges. We'll get there eventually, but let's have a walk around first. Now, one thing that is immediately obvious in Bosnia is that they bloody love football. Seems every little piece of graffiti or intricately made street art is something to do with one of the two football teams here in the city. I've just walked past the entrance to the old town where all the tourists go to take their photos, and I'm going to make you wait a little bit longer because I'm bloody hungry. I need to find somewhere to eat. So first mission of the day, find some food. Let's go. Just looking for a bakery on Google Maps on my phone, which is the perfect segue into the fact that I was able to buy a SIM card here. It cost 10 marks, which is just under €5 for 4 gigabytes, and I'm told that when that runs out, because it will run out, I can just go in a supermarket or a convenience store, show them the number and they'll top it up. So we'll see how easy that really is when the time comes. The lady in the bakery chucked something extra in my bag. I was too busy fiddling with change, I didn't see what it was, so we've got a mysterious food item to discover in a minute. Let's see what we got. She gave me 3 chocolate croissants. What a legend. I'll take that. It's breakfast tomorrow. Even the supermarket has football graffiti on it. I've probably delayed it enough now. I should go and have a look around. The thing that everyone comes here to see, and that's the old town. So here we go. So I've been avoiding it for 2 reasons. A, it's really fucking busy. B, these stones on the floor are really fucking slippy. They've been like polished over time by people walking on them. And it's actually kind of dangerous. Floors on the bridge are so slippy that they've actually added ridges to them to try and help people walk. On a Sunday morning at least, I think the bridge is probably better appreciated from a distance because there's rather a lot of people there. It's not very fun. Best thing about walking through all these crowds is that I get to do it again later when Phoebe gets here. She left me to go to a wedding in England. Ironically, she's gone to my country. She's coming back via Sarajevo at some point today, so no doubt we'll do the tourist loop again later once she arrives. Hopefully it's a bit more chill by then. If you weren't already aware, there is of course more than one bridge. There's many bridges crossing the river. One of them is more famous than the others though. This area just to the immediate northwest of the old bridge is a lot more relaxed. There's barely anyone here compared to around the corner, to be honest, and it's a lot more enjoyable. Of course, it's not the most famous bridge, but there's one that looks just like it. There's too many people again. People everywhere. Back over the world's slippiest bridge. When it rains or snows, this must be an absolute f***ing nightmare. I mean, it's basically an ice rink now, to be fair, so some adverse weather and this would be like a train wreck on it. That's my realistic perception of the old town of Mostar. We did after all come to Bosnia for the nature, not for the crowds in towns and cities, so it is what it is. It's very pretty, but it's also very busy. That's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button, help more people see it. Subscribe for more travel adventures, and I'll see you next time. Let's go.